This is Python Essentials 1, Module 1 quiz. The first question, Python is an example of high-level programming language, machine language, natural language. Of course, it's the high-level programming language. A complete set of known commands is called a low-level list, an instruction list, a machine list. Commands are essentially instructions, so that should be the instructions list. What is source code? Source code is not a machine code because machine code is a binary executed by computers directly. A program written in a high-level programming language, that's exactly what it is, and it is not another name for a source file. What do you call a computer program which directly executes instructions written in a programming language? Okay, so that has to be the interpreter. Unlike compiler, so what compiler does, it takes your source code and transforms it into the machine code, and then you do not need the source code anymore. This machine code is executed directly. It's binary code. Interpreter actually directly executes textual instructions written in a programming language like Python, and Python is an interpreter-based language. What Python version is covered in this course? This is Python 3. Python 2 is also kind of still around, and you may, I think they even say this in the course, that you may stumble upon on some Python 2 code examples. There's a lot of legacy out there, but primarily the course focused around Python 3, and anyone's focus should be writing new code only in Python 3, unless any legacy compatibility is required. What is CPython? So CPython is actually the default implementation of the Python programming language because the Python interpreter itself is written in the C programming language, and that's why it's called CPython. What is idle? So idle is the integrated developer's environment, which comes by default with your Python installation. It's a super simple programming language text editor with just some basic highlighting with no advanced features. So that should be acronym that stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment for Python. Oh, I'm actually not quite sure about this. So, learning extension. Well, I will have to guess, but I will go with the environment because it doesn't, I don't think of it as an extension to anything. So probably this is an environment, but not quite sure. We will check the answers later on. Next. What do you call a tool that lets you launch your code step by step and inspect it at each moment of execution? So this is a debugger. Debugger lets you execute your code line by line and observe how your variables are changing and how the code logic works. How did Python, the programming language, get its name? Okay, I don't know the full story, but it's derived somehow from the Monty Python comic show. Guido van Rossum, this is the guy who created Python. essentially, named it to honor Monty Python's Flying Circus, a BBC comedy series popular in the 70s. That is the right answer. But the others are also quite fun. Not correct though. And final question for quiz 1. Which one of the following is an example of a Python file extension? This is py. All Python files should have extension of py. Okay, let's check our results. Submit. Yes. And we get 100%.